Welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we are going to explore Python string methods. These are powerful tools that come built in with Python, allowing you to manipulate and format text efficiently. Whether you are cleaning data or formatting user output, mastering these methods is essential. First, let's understand what we mean by string methods. In Python, every string you create is an object. These objects contain built-in functions, known as methods, designed specifically for text operations. You access them using dot notation. You write your string or variable name, followed by a dot, and then the method name with parentheses. Let's start with changing the case of text. The dot upper method converts every character to uppercase. Conversely, the dot lower method converts everything to lowercase. If you want to capitalize just the first letter of every word, like a book title, you can use the dot title method. These are great for standardizing user input. Often, text data comes with unwanted spaces at the beginning or end. The dot strip method removes whitespace from both ends of the string. If you only want to clean the left side, use dot lstrip. For the right side, use dot rstrip. This is very common when processing file inputs or user forms. Need to locate specific text? The .find method returns the index number where a substring starts. If it returns -1, the text wasn't found. To swap text, use the .replace method. It takes two arguments, the text to look for and the text to replace it with. Remember, this returns a new string and does not modify the original. You can also validate string content. .isdigit returns true only if every character is a number. .isalpha checks if all characters are letters. You can also check the boundaries of a string using .starts with or .ends with, which is useful for checking file extensions or URL prefixes. Two of the most useful methods are split and join. .split breaks a string into a list of smaller strings based on a delimiter, like a comma. .join does the opposite. It takes a list of strings and combines them into one single string, using the string you called it on as the connector. Formatting allows you to inject variables into strings. The .format method replaces curly brace placeholders with the values you provide. For alignment, you might use .z_fill to pad numbers with zeros, or .center to center text within a specific width using a fill character. Finally, here are a few more handy tools. .count tells you exactly how many times a substring appears. .capitalize uppercases only the very first character of the string, unlike title, which affects every word. And .swapcase flips every letter. Uppercase becomes lowercase, and lowercase becomes uppercase. To wrap up, we have covered methods to modify text like upper and strip, analyze text like find and count, and structure text like split and join. The most important thing to remember is that strings in Python are immutable. None of these methods change the original string. They all return a brand new one for you to use.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.